Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, this is the special episode about banana flowers. 3 banana flower recipes I am going to show this one. I have many more recipes by using banana flowers. This is the part 1 video. So there will be 3 videos of banana flowers with simple preparation. So kindly enjoy this video. Friends, after harvest of the banana flower, for certain recipes we have to clean this one. The cleaning procedure already I have posted in our channel. I will give the link in the iCards and in the end screen and videos also. You can refer that one. So here actually mom she has cleaned 2-3 banana flowers and she has put it for sun drying for a special kind of recipe. Now I have shown here how she is keeping it in the sun for drying. Here among these 3 recipes, one of the recipe I did not clean the flower as such. As a whole we have to use that one. That will be a delicious one. So you just watch all the recipes and kindly give your feedback to me. Friends, today I am going to prepare a special dish by using this banana flower. Today I am preparing banana flower kuttu or banana flower kutan by using this pulses mix of pulses. So the preparation is very simple. I will show the recipe. About the banana flower recipes, earlier in our channel I have posted few videos. I will give the link in the iCards and in the end screen also, so that you can refer. Now let us start this preparation. This preparation is very simple, delicious and highly nutritious. So for the preparation, first we have to clean these banana flowers. The cleaning procedure also I have posted in the earlier video, so you can check that one. Now I will clean and I will prepare for the dish. For this preparation I have taken only 6 floret bunches. Only 6 bunches I have taken and I have cleaned. Then I have taken 1 small cup of mixed dal. So these are the 2 main ingredients. Now in the pressure cooker directly I am adding this dal mixture, and then inside this directly I am going to cut and add this banana flower florets. See friends, now I have added the cut flowers also with the dal. So we will mix together and now we will wash it. We can wash it along with the dal so that the water wastage will be reduced. With this, now I am adding few parts of crushed garlic. And then little of cut onion. Onion and garlic, they are optional. Those who need they can use it, otherwise they can skip. With this we have to add 1 or 2 tomato cut into pieces. I have added tomatoes also. Now with this cumin, jeera we have to add. Half spoon of cumin is enough for this. Now with this we have to add turmeric powder and masala powder. Otherwise I am going to add gravy powder, which is a homemade one. I have added turmeric powder. I have added gravy powder also with this. I will try to include the recipe of the gravy powder with this, otherwise I will post it in a separate video. With this needed quantity of salt we have to add. Friends, in this I am not adding tamarind or I am not seasoning it. So with this now we have to add water. As I told, the preparation is very simple. and highly nutritious. Water I am adding, little more water also I will add, and then I will pressure cook it. I will cook it for till 5 whistles I get. So now I am going to keep it on the stove. I have added more water. After adding water, nicely mix it and then pressure cook it. See friends, now this banana flower dal kutan is ready. I am going to taste this one along with the plain rice. This is from Ilipeppu Samba. So I am going to take along with this rice. Come on friends, it is ready. So as a side dish, I am taking this tomato pickle and cashew muffins. Friends, today I am going to prepare the banana flower fried rice. We will see what are the materials needed for this. Here, for the preparation of this fried rice, we need not clean this flower. As such, we can slice it into small pieces. Friends, we have to cut thin slices like this. Friends, for the preparation, I have taken 2 cloves and cinnamon, 2 bits, then long cut onions, few cashew pieces, then this poppy seeds, a little of sauce, and then for seasoning I am going to use these mustards. Let us start the work. Ginger garlic paste is also needed for this preparation, so I am going to use 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. So in the vessel I have added oil. Let the oil get heated. With this I am adding little mustard. With mustard I am adding these cloves and cinnamon. With this now I am adding little quantity of salt. With this now I am adding these poppy seeds. With this now I am going to add these cashew pieces. Now I am going to add onions. Sorry friends, today the lighting is not okay. From morning itself it is dripping. So kindly excuse me for this less light. With this now I am going to add ginger garlic paste. My already prepared ginger garlic paste is over. Moreover, today I am in my quarters, so I did not carry all those things. We have to mix properly and thoroughly till we get the pleasant smell of this ginger garlic paste. Now it is okay. Now it is the time to add the cut banana flower. With this now we have to add chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. I have added turmeric powder. I have added chili powder also. After mixing it nicely, we have to add salt. I have added salt. We need not add water with this. Oil is there, it will get fried in the oil, and water content is there in ginger garlic paste as well as banana flour. So for few minutes or half a minute, let it be closed. See friends, from the available water and oil, this is nicely getting cooked. So friends, this banana flour masala mix is ready for the fried rice. Already I have cooked the white plain rice and it is getting cold. After it reaches room temperature, I am going to mix this masala with this white plain rice to get banana flour fried rice. So friends, now the food is ready. Banana flour fried rice is ready. The smell is very nice. Come on friends, let us enjoy the food together. Friends, I have prepared this vegetable salad as a side dish for banana flour fried rice. So I have used only 4 vegetables, carrot, tomato, onions and radish. So you also try this one. Friends, today's breakfast I prepared with barnyard millet. So this is the barnyard millet food. This is the leftover of that. So I have planned to make fryams from this leftover. So this is the leftover, and with that I have added little of turmeric powder and chili powder, and then salt also I have added. So now I am going to mix all these things. With this I am going to add 4 bunches of florets of banana flower. So we will mix it together and make it fryams. I will make it dry in sun. So I have mixed all the ingredients thoroughly. Now I will make small pieces like this and sun dry. So friends, I have put them like this. Let us see how it is coming out. So friends, I believe you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video patiently. Meet you in the next video. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Best wishes.